Hi, my name's Prem Raja and welcome to the Currency Blog TV. Last week was a relatively stable week for the pound until late Friday afternoon, where we saw the pound tumble against most major currencies. We briefly saw the pound dollar below 129 and we saw the pound euro exchange rate as low as 115.40. There was no news releases on Friday afternoon which would have done this to the pound, so right now my conclusion is that it was traders and speculators on the market possibly profit taking. Unfortunately, this is something that happens from time to time, but we're not expecting this to continue into Monday and through the rest of the week. Now on to Monday, as it's a bank holiday in the Eurozone, we're not expecting that much activity on the pound euro. So, if there is any recovery on the pound euro exchange rate, Monday would be a great day to take advantage of it, as on Tuesday morning, we have inflation data out of the UK. And as many of you are aware, inflation is a key factor with what the Bank of England's doing right now. On Wednesday, we're expecting jobs data out of the UK. Now, this is very key for the market, and I'll tell you why. After Brexit, you'll probably hear that there was many job cuts in a lot of major banks and other institutions. In this piece of data, we'll be able to see how this has actually affected the job markets as a whole, and then we'll be able to see the actual effects on the economy afterwards. Also on Wednesday at 7 o'clock in the evening, the Federal Reserve will be releasing their minutes from their meeting in July. Now, the reason why this is important is that the US are expecting to actually hike their interest rates at some point over the next 12 months. These minutes will give us a very good idea as to when they're actually thinking of doing it. On Thursday, we have two pieces of key data, one from the UK, which is our retail sales, and the second from Europe, which is their inflation data. Now, the reason why the inflation data out of Europe is so important is that after Brexit, Mario Draghi has stated that the Eurozone may need to do more quantitative easing because of the inflation in Europe at the moment. So if we don't see a good number this week for Europe's inflation, we can probably expect out of the next ECB meeting that they may want to increase their QE purchases. Moving on to Friday now, there is no real data releases expected, so we're not expecting much movement on the market. However, after last Friday, it would remain pretty wise to make sure that you are mitigated from any exposure on the market to make sure that no random moves like the one we saw on Friday will affect you. All in all, we do have a pretty packed week as far as data is concerned, so if you do have transfers to make over the next week and you're unsure as to when to do it, please contact me directly and I'll be more than happy to help. I'm Prem Raja, this is the Currency Blog TV. Thank you.